Let's create a look with the Viseart Petite Shimmer Koi. But before we get into the tutorial, let's go see some swatches. I'm gonna use this beautiful shimmer peach shade for my crease. Oh my goodness, this peach shade is so beautiful. It kind of has like a little shift to it, but maybe because it's just shimmers, it just looks so gorgeous. I'm gonna take that beautiful blue right next to the peach and we are gonna apply that on the inner corner and the outer corner. I'm gonna spray this shade and see how much more shimmery we can get. I am winging it out in the outer corner. Wow, this is very, very nice. This blue is amazing. When you spray it, it's so like sky blue. Now I'm taking a smaller brush to do my inner corner. I'm taking more of the peach shade just to bring back those peachiness that I almost covered up. Now I'm taking this shade, is less peachy and a bit more pink, and I'm gonna apply that on my lid. Okay, this shade is called Yamabuki. This is a peach, but it has like a green gold duochrome. I'm just blending it now just so it looks way more blended. This shade is called Taiko. This is white with a purple pink reflex with a duochrome finish. I'm gonna take that same shade for my brow bone highlight. This is just like a light wash. Now I'm gonna take that peach shade that I used for the crease and apply that for the lower lash line. I'm gonna use this new eyeliner by Urban Decay. This is the 24/7 ink. I have this in the shade Deep and this is such a beautiful teal. Now that the eyes are done, we're gonna do the lips. I do have their new lip gloss in the shade Koi. I'm excited to see this shade on my lips. But first, I'm gonna line my lips with the MAC Spice. We are finished, we are done, and this is the result. This look is so fun. The color combos are just so spring. There's definitely a lot of colors in here. You can just match 2 colors and that is your look. I am so happy that Viseart comes out with this little petite shimmers. They are a smaller version of their original, you know, the big ones, the expensive ones. I recommend this palette because the shimmers are just so beautiful, but I do have to mention that there are fallout. So I would encourage you to spray your brush like I did. It definitely made all the colors more pop and more shiny, but at the same time it will prevent fallout. It's your turn, let's talk. Have you tried this new Viseart Petite Shimmer Koi? What are your other favorite Petite Shimmer palettes? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you're looking to watch more videos on my channel, check out this video right here. This is the new Pat McGrath mini palette in Sublime Smoke. This is gonna be like a bronzy summer type of look. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and wonderful day.